5 Best Bike Lock. Here is the product number 5. Bike Lock 1.8 meters Anti-theft. Bike Lock 1.8 meters Anti-theft Bicycle Accessories Steel Wire Security Bicycle Cable Lock Anti-shear Road Motorcycle Bike Equipment Universal. Name, Anti-theft Steel Cable Lock. Material, alloy plus ABS plus plastic. Color, black. Size, 120 cm / 150 cm / 180 cm. Here is the product number 4. INBIKE Bicycle Lock Anti-theft Cable Lock. Products advantages: alloy steel lock end. Diameter of end is thickened, resist hitting, lock end is covered with flexible glue, very convenient. Copper blade lock cylinder. Key with lightning design. Anti-theft, the key is plugged smoothly, lock can be opened in both sides of keys. 3 keys, 1 key is with light, convenient for dark. Here is the product number 3. West Biking Bicycle Lock. Product information: brand name, West Biking. Type, chain. Item name, anti-theft chain lock. Material, alloy steel plus copper lock core. Color, black. Size, 0.45 meters, 0.73 meters, 1.03 meters. Features, bold and long chain, strong wear. Here is the product number 2. Hydraulic cutter cycling MTB bike lock. Standard version high manganese steel. Made of stainless steel covered with ABS rubber paint, which can effectively prevent it damaging the bike frame. Weather and rust resistant. Professional material of surface protects the lock from damaging, auto repair, for a long use at outdoor. C-class cylinder for high protection against violent, wear resistant, high security for your bike. Here is the product number 1. West Biking Foldable Bike Lock with 3 keys. Item name, foldable lock. Material, zinc alloy plus alloy steel plus ABS plastic plus PA6 plastic plus 59 copper. Color, black. Feature description: novel appearance design, designers around lightweight, small size, development length, easy to use and other aspects of the design of this highly practical lock.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.